agents in enterprise beyond chatbots. AI is no longer just answering questions. Enterprises are now using AI agents that can take actions, not just respond. What are AI agents? AI agents are systems that can understand tasks, make decisions, execute actions, interact with other systems. They act more like digital workers than tools. What they can do: automate workflows, handle customer queries, end-to-end process documents, trigger business operations, all with minimal human intervention. How they work: AI agents combine large language models, APIs, and system integrations, memory and context awareness, automation workflows. They connect intelligence with execution. Enterprise use cases: customer support automation, IT service management, finance process automation, HR onboarding workflows. Agents can operate across multiple systems. Why IT matters: enterprises move from manual processes, automated workflows, reactive support, proactive execution. Productivity increases significantly. The challenge: agents require strong governance, security controls, monitoring, and validation, because they are making decisions at scale. The future: AI agents will become a core layer in enterprise architecture, not just assisting humans, but working alongside them to execute tasks.